Crocodiles eating birds might seem surprising, but it's a natural part of their opportunistic hunting behavior. These ancient reptiles are ambush predators, and they'll eat almost anything they can catch, including birds. Crocodiles often lurk just beneath the water's surface near riverbanks or lake shores, waiting patiently for unsuspecting prey. When birds wade into the shallows or perch too close, the croc strikes with lightning-fast jaws. Birds are easy targets due to their size, predictable habits, and frequent visits to water for feeding or drinking. In some regions, crocodiles have even been observed using twigs on their snouts as bait during nesting season, luring birds looking for building material, a chilling display of reptilian intelligence. For the crocodile, it's not personal. It's just about calories, timing, and stealth.